Serapine, happy birthday, and I hope you know how much we love you and how much we look forward to be with you every day, and we love you so much. I want it all right now. And I'm never gonna stop. I want it all right now. And I'm never gonna stop.
Hi Sky! Happy birthday! You know, we love you so much. Sobrang mahal na mahal ka namin. Always remember that we are always here for you, to guide you and love you, and to shower you so much of our love. Because you deserve all the happiness in the world, because you are a very, very good kid.
Happy birthday, Serapine! Stay sweet. And sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at maging masunurin. Mag-aral ng mabuti. Mommy always love you.
Hello Sky and Tita Lai, happy birthday. Thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin. Sumunod ka sa mami mo, sa lola mo na lagi nandyan, nag-aalaga sa'yo. Yun lang po.
Happy birthday, Apo! Aking unang apo. Wish ko lang na maging mabait kang bata at lumaki na may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang at God bless, anak. Love you.